tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
So I thought I'd show you a little bit of the wheels. Here we are at the beginning of trails and the end of the urban, which I thought was quite fitting for the Exploro, which basically the whole point of an Aero Gravel is that it gets you fast on the tarmac bits to where you need to be going, and to be honest, it's faster on the fast gravel bits as well. The other thing I want to say is these wheels and these connectors. Try and share here some segments that have power for power, doing almost Shiv TT speeds, which is just astonishing. And it's the blend of these tires are just so fast on the tarmac. They're so fast on fast gravel, but they just corner so well. I'll try and put a link here to the Negroni bike, the lovely sort of Beck, but any standing water at the moment is just full of mosquitoes, which is kind of not very nice. And anywhere open is just full of wind. So here I am.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away, your friend, you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. You fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I'll show you in a few minutes the sounds the hubs make. Free hubs, the sound of free hubs are just amazing. So these wheels I've got with 240.
Not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade.